Bird and Kip, Episode 3, Acorn, Gumbo. Bird heard something. It was coming from Kip's hole. Chop, chop, chop. Sloop, skip, skip. What are you doing, Kip? Asked Bird. I am making a corn gumbo, said Kip. Then Bird smelled something. It was something that smelled very bad. You are going to eat that? Asked Bird. No, said Kip. We are going to eat it. You are invited to dinner tonight. Kip, this doesn't smell good, said Bird. It doesn't smell good, said Bird. But it tastes great. Just then Bird said something. The hawk, she cried. The big hawk was swooping toward the tree. Yeah, something smells bad. The hawk turned around and flew away. Well, said Kip. Your account Gumbo saved us, Kip said Bird. And you are right. It does taste great.